I'm David.
I'm Chris.
And this is how we saw our project, which is a paper airplane making robot. And we're going to tell you how we designed, built, tested, and revised our robot.
So the initial idea for our airplane making robot came from a few YouTube videos that we saw on YouTube. So we saw a guy, he made it with a 3D printer and actually also launched it like a gun. And here we saw that someone also did it with Lego Mindstorms, so we knew it was possible.
So our brainstorm, we basically looked at how they folded the airplane. Like on that one, they had like a platform that would move up, and then this one it would be like an assembly line where it would like fold like inside the robot and shoot it out.
So and then we decided to make it like an assembly line where it would be automated and it would move from step to step using treads. This is the initial plan. And it knew when each step was completed using sensors.
So the regular way how you fold it is you just take a paper, fold in half, and then fold it back, and then fold the triangles, and then fold another triangle, and then fold in half, and then fold the wings. And then that was like the regular way, and that's what like we originally planned to do.
But as we were making it, we found that making the two initial folds was too time consuming, so instead we crossed out those steps and then we just did one like really steep diagonal fold. In the end we made it like a two-part robot where the first part did the first diagonal folds and then the next one like creased the bottom and made the wings and then it would launch it out as well.
So our Chris was in charge of the first fold and he just made like the two planes go up, and he used like motors to rotate the plane and make the first fold.
So these were based off the YouTube video I was talking about earlier. So how it works is the paper, it's fed onto a rectangular platform which narrows into a triangle. One of these slides is missing. Okay, whatever. So this is not our code. Our pseudocode is actually like really simple. So what it is, it's like move the motor towards the platform and move it away.
Oh, so I was in charge of the second fold, and I was thinking about having two wheels touching each other, and then it would rotate. It would fold the paper like if you insert it like flat, it will fold it up. And then the launcher, I was thinking about like two wheels spinning really fast, and it would the velocity would just shoot the paper out. But I found out that the motors weren't fast enough, so I tried to use a gear ratio. So my progression, it was like the first day, I made the folder and the launcher the two same wheels, and I put like something on top to make the wings fold. And then this is the second day, we tried to connect. So this is our finished product, but it only works like with slightly creased paper. And then the launcher, doesn't shoot it at fast, but I made it a little faster, but the gears really didn't work.
So as you guys can see, like a lot of things didn't work. Like the paper didn't crease all the way. You had to crease the paper first to put it inside. And also like it wasn't automated fully as well.
So basically we had like 4 planning, and we basically had the entire design in our heads. We never had a concrete like drawing, and we just like improvised while we built, and sometimes we had to like change the parts. We had to rebuild it back again.
Yeah, so this is also like why we ended up not doing the automated part, because by the time we finished like the basic structure of it, like there wasn't room for treads or like sensors or anything. So that's when we realized that.
Yeah, to continue beating ourselves up even more. The gears, they sometimes would stay out of place, but like we had to know our limitations first, and we also need to set like low expectations.
But on the bright side, we had a lot of fun going through the creative process, trying the robot out, and then after this project, we became more familiar with the steps that we should have done, but we didn't do.
So what we learned that Legos can't do everything. We need to have a plan, and we have to like manage our time more wisely, and also like actually draw it out. So if we had more time, we could have like connected the two robots and like built a tread. But overall, we were pretty happy with what we've been able to do, and we'd like to thank our professors and TAs for all of their help.